friends! Are you ready to learn something super fun today? We're going to have fun with the keyboard and learn how to type.
Yay, I can't wait to start typing.
Let's see how we can type letters, numbers, and even fun words using the keyboard.
A keyboard is an important part of the computer. It has many buttons, called keys, that help us type letters, numbers, and symbols on the screen. When we press a key, it shows the letter or number right on the screen.
Look at all the buttons. They help us type words and numbers.
I can see the letter keys and the number keys. They are so much fun.
The alphabet keys are for typing letters from A to Z. You can use them to type your name, words, and even create sentences.
Let me try. I can type L and E.
Great job, Leo. Now I will type Lina.
Next, we have the number keys. These help us type numbers like 1, 2, 3, and more. You can use them to type your age or even your favorite number.
Look, I just typed the number 3.
Now let's learn about the caps lock key. This key helps us type big letters. If you want to write your name with a big first letter, like Jane, just press caps lock.
Let's try typing my name Lina with a big first letter.
Here's a cool key, the space bar. It's the long key at the bottom of the keyboard. It helps us add spaces between words. Let's try it out.
Look, I typed I'm a fireman with spaces in between.
Wow, great job! Now you know how to use the keyboard to type letters, numbers, and fun words. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a typing expert.